Alright, let's look at the homework 2.6-3.1, problem number 14. Alright, I said that the radio commercial for a loan company states you only pay 32 cents a day for each $500 borrowed. If you borrow $1,720 for 299 days, what amount will you repay? Right, so let's answer that question first. All right. So the interest is going to be, interest is going to be, let's say it's 32 cents. So you have 0.32 per $500. So I'll do that. Right. So since the end per day. So since they borrowed 1,720, so we multiply this by 1,720, and this is a daily rate. So they borrowed it for 299 days. So you would have to multiply by 299, right? I guess you don't really need the parentheses there, right? So that will be the interest. Then if you want the repaying amount, so A is going to be, of course, the borrowed amount, 1,720 plus interest I. So let's try to find that. So maybe Alright, I'm gonna bring the GeoGebra up. Alright, so we have, let's find the interest first. So you have 0.32 divided by 500 and multiply by 1,720 and then multiply by 299 days. Then you have to, of course, pay back the amount they borrowed. So this is what they want, so put that. So it came out to be $2,049.14, right? So $2,049.14, right? So let's type it in. Right, $2,049.14. Right, so let's check the answer. Right, we got that one. Right, and part B, we want to find the annual interest rate. Right, so let's find that. Right, annual interest rate. So interest is going to be this is equal to remember that it's a PRT, right? So PRT is P is the principal, so we have 1,720, right? And R, which is we are trying to find, T is 299 days, which means that the 299 over they assume 360 days per year, so it's a 360. Right, so that's R. Then we can actually solve for R. First thing we do is by comparing this right here and comparing that, right? And they're actually a bunch of the same thing going, so I'm going to just cancel those things out. So I'm going to cancel, divide both sides by 1,720, right? So cancel those, right? Then we have 299 too. Divide both sides by 299, right? So in order to isolate R, we just need to multiply, this guy by 360, which actually make a lot of sense. Because here, this is the rate, 0.32 cents per $500. Then you multiply by the number of days. All right, so we have, so this will get us, R is going to be equal to, right, 0.32 over 500, right? Then, so that's the daily rate. Then you would have to multiply by 360, right? So what's the precision they want? They want 4 decimal places, okay? Right, so I'm gonna bring up a GeoGebra. So you have 0.32 divide by 500, then multiply by 360, right? Right, then I have to go to option. Let's see, rounding, and the 4 decimal places, right? So it's let's see. They're looking for, let's see, percent, right? So okay. So since they are looking for a percentage rate, so we would have to multiply by 100. So we would have to see a little bit more. So we have to see actually 6 decimal places. Oop, did it go there? Let's double check. Yep. Right. So it seems like this is the exact value. So it's going to be at 23.04%. Right. So this is equal to 23.04%. Right. So let's type it in. This is 23.04%. Right. So let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.